So after mixing them all together, so that you just mix well, make sure. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our ingredient. This is tomato, this is capsicum, and this is onions. So I'm going to make chips zege, simply chips mayai, chips and eggs recipe. Street food and a very quick meal that you can make at home, easy, simple and fast. If you have some leftover chips, you can always make this breakfast meal very fast and easy. So first thing first, we're going to, there we go. So first thing first, I'm going to prepare my veggies. I want to fry them. So at this stage, we're going to introduce our chips. We just heat it for a few minutes, like 1-2 minutes. Make sure that the chips are warmed up because it's a leftover. Also add salt. You can add chili if you have. Just beat my eggs. So after mixing them all together, you can now introduce your eggs. This is a dedication video to Mama Husna, all the way from Likoni. This is where I learned how to make chips zege. So after that, you just put your egg. Then mix well, make sure it has mixed together. And at this point, you reduce your heat to a very low flame or low heat. Yeah, make sure it doesn't burn. So let's give it . You can simmer if your pan allows, but all the same, even if it is still open, it's still uncovered, it can still cook. Make sure your heat is low. So you give it like 2-3 minutes, then I'll flip it. I'll be flipping it so that it can be cooked in both sides. So ukikuwa na leftover chips at home, make zege, chips zege. It's this simple, easy and fast. You can just follow the steps I've demonstrated here and you make your zege at home or chips, eggs recipe. There we have it, guys. Our chips zege is ready. You can see it looks delicious, delicate, delicacy. Actually, it's very delicious, delicate, delicacy. And this you can make at home in the morning when you have your leftover chips. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, make sure you like and comment, tell me where you're watching from. It's Jayuga.